Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, I'm Talita. As your tour guide, it is ready to help you to plan your vacation, whatever your destination, beach, mountain, or cultural cities. I'll arrange everything from transportation until fun activities. With me, your trip will be an unforgettable experience. So, let's start this adventure. But for now, our tour is going to Labuan Bajo. Let's know about it. Okay, in this slide, I will talk about what is Labuan Bajo. Labuan Bajo is a small town in village located in Komodo District, West Manggarai Regency, East Nusa Tenggara Province, Indonesia. Flores Island, Indonesia, which is famous as the gateway to Komodo National Park. The town is rich in marine tourism, offering activities such as snorkeling and diving at locations like Pink Beach, Mantap Point, and Batu Bolong. Okay, let's go to the next slide. Okay, in this slide, I will talk about fun attraction and activities to do in Labuan Bajo. First is playing on the beach. Labuan Bajo is famous for its charming beach, such as Pink Beach, Mantap Point, and Sebair Beach. And activities to do in beach, such as swimming, playing in the water, or taking photo at beautiful spots are available over there. And next option is explore caves, waterfall, and lakes. Labuan Bajo offers a variety of outdoor activities such as exploring caves, waterfall, and lakes. Interesting destinations include Kungkawulang Waterfall, Batu Cermin Cave, Rangko Cave, Kelimutu Lake, and Liang Bua Cave. And next is swim with manta rays. Manta Point in Labuan Bajo is the perfect location to swim with manta rays. Visitors can do snorkeling while exploring the beautiful underwater world. Next is trekking at Labuan Bajo Best Spot. Trekking on Padar Island offers spectacular views that will not be forgotten. The journey to the top requires stamina and patience, but every step is worth it when you reach at top. Next is dive at Manta Point. This location is the most for the presence of large manta rays, offering a spectacular diving experience for underwater lovers. Next is dive deep. Diving in Labuan Bajo offers a mesmerizing underwater experience with famous spots such as Mangyatan Atoll. And the last is Rinca Island and Komodo Island. Not only a destination to meet Komodo dragons, this island offers mesmerizing natural scenery. Visitors can enjoy the beauty of island filled with tropical vegetation, green hills, and beautiful beach. Okay, let's go to the next slide. Okay, in this slide, I will talk about accommodation. I have many accommodation recommendation for this trip. First is hostel or simple lodging. For this, price start from 100,000 rupiah until 300,000 rupiah. And the second is star hotel or resort. The price start from 1 million rupiah until 3 million rupiah per night. And the third option is boat rental in Labuan Bajo. For the price is in one day for 2 until 4 person is 19 million per boat or per trip, and for 5 until 6 people is 20 million rupiah per couple or per trip, and for 2 days 1 night for 2 until 4 people is 23 million rupiah per couple or per trip. And next option is speedboat rental in Labuan Bajo. For the price is in one day for 1 until 15 people is 17 million rupiah per boat or per trip, and for 16 until 20 people is 22 million rupiah per couple or per trip. And the last option is hotel in Labuan Bajo. Many hotel in Labuan Bajo, and the prices start from 1 until 2 million rupiah per room or per night. Okay, let's go to the next slide. Okay, in this slide, I will talk about the transportation. How to reach Labuan Bajo from Cikupa, Tangerang. There are several transportation options that can be considered. However, keep in mind that Cikupa does not have direct hub with Labuan Bajo. Here, I recommend to all of you the transportation for efficient option. First is by flight. There is two flight. First is direct flight. Direct flight from Jakarta to Labuan Bajo are the fastest and the most convenient option. For the ticket price starts from 1 until 2 million rupiah. And the second flight is transit flight. If there are no direct flight, transit flight through other cities such as Medan, Pekanbaru, or Palembang are also available. And next is land and sea travel. Land and sea travel, this option takes longer and more cheaper. Traveling from Jakarta to Labuan Bajo by land and sea can cost around 500,000 rupiah in total, but it takes a longer and more tiring time. Next option is using bus and boat. Bus from Tangerang to Jakarta, you can take a bus from Tangerang to Jakarta, then continue your journey to Labuan Bajo using bus and ship. However, this is the most time-consuming and tiring option. But I recommend to all of you using direct flight. If your priority is time and convenience, a direct flight from Jakarta to Labuan Bajo is the best option. Okay, let's go to the next slide. Okay, there is a spoiler of Labuan Bajo. That's very, very beautiful, right? So, but in this slide, I have a recommendation in Labuan Bajo. First is Taman Laut Handayani Seafood Restaurant. This restaurant is famous for its seafood dishes, such as honey grease squid, crab in Padang sauce, and clams in seafood sauce. And the second option is Warung Mama. Warung Mama offers home-cooked meals at standard price from 25,000 rupiah, giving you a distinct impression during your vacation in Labuan Bajo. And how previous travel talk about Labuan Bajo? They talk, the first glimpse out of the airplane is the clean blue sky and the natural landscape of mountain and brilliant green lush forest, a long lost atmosphere from the big city. They said like that. So let's go to the next slide. Okay, in this slide, I offer to all of you a special package for this trip. There is two option package that all of you can choose, and let me know which one you interest for this trip package. There is more cheaper and there is more expensive. Okay, I give it time to all of you to choose which one do you want to follow. Okay, that's all from me, and I hope all of you can join us as soon as possible. So don't forget to contact me. Don't forget using me as your tour guide. So, and last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.